I have come to visit yet another one of my favourite woodlands here in Runcorn, Windmill Hill Wood. More specifically, I wanted to teach you about a cool tree that lives fast and dies young, the birch. Like willow and aspen, the birches, common and silver birches, are pioneer species, easily distinguished from other trees by their white, slender trunks. They create a type of flower called a catkin. Here's a very small one growing now, later turning into seeds like this, which are very easily spread on the wind. It's because of this ability to spread very easily on the wind and grow pretty quickly that they can very quickly take over old landscape that's gone disused, making them extremely useful in reforestation campaigns. They're also a great ecological indicator of whether or not this is a newer forest, because if it is, it'll be predominantly this species, dependent on environment. The canopies also allow a lot more light in than other trees. And in this woodland, you can see there is a lot of older birches taking up dominance in certain spaces, but underneath them, under the boughs, you have other native plants, like this cherry, as well as young oak and hornbeam. You can tell by the sheer size of this tree and the spread of its limbs that it's getting quite old. It still looks quite healthy too, but it might be nearing the end of its life, as birch trees only live for around 30 years. Definitely a shame, because look at this beautiful patch of silver birch. Absolute art. But it's not all sad. When the birches die, they do give way to trees that are slower growing, like we mentioned before, such as the oak. So they are vital for that transitionary period, protecting them from all nature has to throw at them in that time. And whenever there's a natural disaster, like a storm or a fire that makes a large opening in a woodland, the birches are the first ones to pop right back up and get to work. Thanks, bud.